The first thing you notice is the striking chrome and the deep metallic red paint. But the real story is this powerful new engine and redesigned exhaust system.
The 2026 Yamaha V Star 250 marks the return of one of Yamaha's most beloved lightweight cruisers. Known for its classic styling, easy handling, and exceptional reliability, the V Star 250 has earned a loyal following over the years. The 2026 model carries this legacy forward with fresh updates, refined engineering, and an even smoother riding experience. It is designed for riders who love traditional cruiser charm with modern performance and everyday practicality. Asterisk engine and performance asterisk. Powering the 2026 V Star 250 is Yamaha's proven 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine. This compact V-twin delivers smooth, predictable power and a refined cruising character that's ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. The engine produces a strong low-end pull, making the motorcycle comfortable to ride at slow speeds and responsive during quick acceleration in city traffic. Asterisk fuel injection has been updated for this new model, resulting in cleaner combustion, improved throttle response, and better overall fuel efficiency. The lightweight engine contributes to excellent mileage, making the V Star 250 a practical everyday motorcycle. Its 5-speed transmission offers smooth gear shifts and maintains the classic cruiser feel while delivering enough flexibility for highway cruising. Asterisk design and styling asterisk. The 2026 V Star 250 maintains its iconic cruiser silhouette, featuring a long, low stance and timeless styling. Yamaha has enhanced the bike's appearance with modern touches while keeping its vintage charm intact. The teardrop fuel tank, chrome detailing, spoke wheels, and retro fenders continue to reflect the classic cruiser identity. Asterisk LED lighting updates the look while adding practicality, and the refined paintwork gives the motorcycle a premium finish. The wide handlebars, comfortable seat height, and balanced proportions make the V Star 250 a motorcycle that feels approachable yet stylish. Its design appeals to riders who appreciate the simplicity and elegance of traditional cruisers. Asterisk comfort and ergonomics asterisk. The V Star 250 is known for its comfortable ergonomics, and the 2026 model continues this tradition with a relaxed riding triangle. The low seat height allows riders of all sizes to confidently reach the ground, making the bike easy to handle for daily commuting or long rides. Asterisk the plush seat provides excellent cushioning, and the forward-set foot pegs offer a relaxed cruiser posture. The suspension has been tuned to absorb bumps effectively, giving the motorcycle a smooth and stable ride on various road surfaces. Whether navigating through traffic or cruising along open roads, the V Star 250 delivers comfort that lasts throughout the journey. Asterisk technology and features asterisk. While the V Star 250 maintains its classic appeal, Yamaha has incorporated essential modern features to enhance the riding experience. The motorcycle includes a semi-digital instrument cluster with trip information, fuel indicators, and engine diagnostics. The updated braking system with front disc and rear drum provides reliable stopping power, supported by advanced brake calibration for better control. Asterisk the 2026 model also includes improved electrical components, efficient LED lighting, and Yamaha's reliable build quality. These features ensure that the V Star 250 remains practical, safe, and easy to maintain. Asterisk riding experience asterisk. The 2026 Yamaha V Star 250 offers a riding experience that blends lightness, stability, and confidence. Its low weight and compact size make it extremely easy to handle in tight spaces, while its V-twin engine delivers a satisfying cruiser feel. The bike's smooth suspension, predictable power delivery, and balanced chassis create a calm and enjoyable ride, even for longer journeys. Asterisk riders who want a traditional cruiser without the heavy bulk of larger models will appreciate the V Star 250's friendly nature. It is a motorcycle designed to bring the joy of classic cruising to everyday life. Asterisk conclusion asterisk. The 2026 Yamaha V Star 250 continues the model's legacy as a dependable, stylish, and approachable cruiser. With refined performance, improved comfort, classic design elements, and practical technology, it remains one of the best entry-level cruisers in its segment. The V Star 250 offers riders a timeless riding experience with the reliability and craftsmanship that Yamaha is known for.